Can't see. All right. Judah's practicing for the Olympics. Run, baby, run! Run, baby, run!
Yeah!
Is that fun? Is that fun?
This is a lot of breath, you guys.
Whew.
Ready? We'll go for round 2. Ready? Go!
Yay! That's fun, huh?
He's like, oh, I want to go more. Ready? Go, go, go. You're getting tired.
He's like, nope, I'm done.
Dragging his feet.
Say, I'm done running now. That's enough for one day. What's over there?
There's the puppies.
What's over there, huh? You see the leaf? What are you looking at? Oh.
Put it in your mouth.
Phew, that's septic.
Mouth.
Yeah.
Is that yours?
Yeah. Needs a new cover. Judah. Judah.
Judah.
Hey. You spacing out? Is that your tired look? Is that your tired look? Hmm? Where the puppies at?
You hear him.
Where the puppies at? Hmm?
Come in. Come in.
Does that feel funny? Is that a leaf? Huh? I'm just gonna go all over the yard.
Oh.
Face plant. See, watch your head over there.
Hey. Hey. Come here. Judah. Judah. Hey. Judah.
He's trying to figure out what that plant is.
Judah.
What are you looking at?
Judah. Hey. Come here. Hey, come here. Look, come here. Hey. No, over here. Look at Mama. Hey, Judah. Say no. Look at Mama. Where you going?
Sees another leaf. What is that? Don't you eat that.
Come here. Oh.
Face plant again. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy?
Hey, mister. Hey, mister. Hey. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. You're not interesting.
What are you doing? What you got? No? Okay.
Just look. Just look at that. Nope. That doesn't go in your mouth. That doesn't go in your mouth.
Give to Mommy. No.
No?
Give to mommy.
Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it? No? Nope. Yuck.
Yucky.
Yucky. Yuck. Yuck. Well, that wasn't very nice. I'm sorry. Still put it in your mouth. Nope. 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 Yeah, just play with it.
He's like, wow, this is very interesting. What do you have there? Is that a leaf?
Nope. No.
He's like, can I get a yes? Can I get a yes out of all those no's? That's nice, huh? You like that grass? Hmm?
Okay, bye.
So now what can we find?
Okay, bye. Bye, Judah.
Say bye, Mom.
Bye, Judah.
I'm running away.
Bye. See you later. Bye.
Say, oh, I changed my mind.
We're not going to let you crawl on this because it's hard.
That'll hurt.
You walk on it. You don't want to walk, you want to run.
Wow, big boy. There's a big boy. There's a big boy, huh?
Oh, you want to bounce? Okay, we're bouncing.
Can he dance? Can he dance? Can he dance?
Oh, no, you don't want to dance.
Okay, say bye.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye.